Okay, we are underway with a tri-tip dinner, and we just seasoned it with Kinder's buttery garlic and herb. We're gonna put it on the Traeger at 225 for an hour and a half to 2 hours. These are two roughly 3 pound tri-tips. We're going for medium rare. And then as far as the veggies and sides, we're gonna chop up some zucchini, some onion, which we're gonna put Kinder's again, but the wood-fired garlic with a little bit of the chili hot and fiery oil. Mix that in there and roast those as the tri-tip is made. Simple, easy. You know, we're about keeping it easy, keeping it simple, but also making sure it's always delicious. Let's see how it turns out. Okay, we've put them in the Traeger now. Always looks so beautiful in there. The veggies we cut into about third inch half moons. Sprinkled them again with that chili oil and the fire garlic seasoning. We have the Traeger set at 225. Better close this lid down. And we got it probe at 130 for medium rare. We'll come back and check it out a little later. All right, so we're roughly 45 minutes into the cook. The veggies are looking mighty fine. Tri-tip is starting to pick up a little bit of a bark. Not so interested in the bark, really. We're not doing brisket, but it's always nice to see a little bark in the meat. And we are what, at 87, so we still got a while to go. It's looking good. Wanted to check in. All right, look at this. This is the second piece of meat, the second tri-tip. Look at that beautiness. Look at that beautifulness. Oh, Kinder seasoning is the way to go, guys. We have, I don't know, I have about 20 different flavors of Kinder seasoning, and none of them disappoint. This was Ricky's choice. He wanted to do butter herbs. Good choice on the tri-tip. Check it out. That's how we do what we do at Casa de Lagunas. Tri-tip with a little fat in it. That's where it's at. 2 tri-tips, 225, just under 2 hours. Perfect. All right. Tri-tip is ready. We let it rest for a couple minutes. Let's dig in. We'll do a couple of slices. Looking good so far. Looks like I could use a sharper knife. Check that out. You want to see the squeeze? Let's see the squeeze. Oh, look at those drippity drips. Let's leave that in. Let's keep slicing. Man, it's looking real good. Check it out. You want to try this, babe? Nice thin slice. Let's go for the taste. Medium rare. Just like we like it. It's on sale. $3.97 a pound. Gotta get while the getting is good. I'm gonna keep slicing a little thinner. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Want to check out the veggies? Came out great. And then Rickers. Check out Rickers. I mean, his famous chocolate chip cookies. And they're smelling delicious. All right, guys. Doesn't take very much. Nice, simple, easy meal. Inexpensive. Don't have to spend a whole lot of money. But believe you me, it can still taste like $1,000,000.